Hi there, it's Wendy Hernandez, attorney and creator of Command the Courtroom. Welcome to the 5th video in my series on how to resolve your divorce or child custody case outside of the courtroom. So in the first 4 videos, we talked about exchanging letters/emails, informal settlement conferences, collaborative divorce, and mediation. And in this video, I want to talk with you about arbitration. So arbitration is another way that you can expedite resolving your case outside of the courtroom, although it is quite a bit like getting your case resolved in court. So in arbitration, you and the other party would mutually select an arbitrator to decide the contested issues in your case. The arbitrator could be somebody who practices family law and has a lot of experience. It could be a retired judge, or it could be anybody else that you mutually select. The job of the arbitrator is to hear the contested issues and make a decision. So I have conducted arbitrations. I participated as representing a party in arbitrations, and an arbitration proceeding is a lot like court in terms of somebody else besides yourself and your ex are going to be making decisions about your case. But these sessions are more informal than court. In the arbitration sessions that I participated in, usually they take place in somebody's conference room. There usually is a court reporter present, but not always. The arbitrator's not wearing a robe. There's no gavel. There's no judicial assistants or bailiffs. But the arbitrator listens to testimony from each of the parties. And it's fairly informal. Often the rules of evidence don't apply. After listening to the evidence, then the arbitrator makes a decision. And while the arbitrator may not make decisions right then and there, they usually do it on a shorter timeline than judges are able to do because of the thousands of cases that they're handling every year. So arbitrations are really good if you want quick results in your case. If the issues are not hugely complex, arbitrations are sometimes really good if issues are complex, because sometimes an arbitrator will have special experience in a certain area that makes that person ideal to listen to the details of your case. So the thing to remember about arbitration is that you are putting decision-making about your case in somebody else's hands. You're handing power over and telling this person decide based on what you hear in this 2, 3, 4 hour session, or 1-day session, or 2-day session. That's not ideal, but if you want a quick result, you don't want to string things out over a year or 2 in court, then maybe arbitration is the way to go. So that is the last form of alternative dispute resolution that I'm going to talk about in this video series. So I just want to say to you that, trial should be a last resort if possible. If I were going through a case like a divorce case or a child custody case, I would want to explore every alternative possible before putting my life in the hands of somebody else. And again, sometimes it isn't possible to reach agreement. Maybe the other party is being really extra unreasonable, and nothing you can say or do will convince them to resolve the situation, and you're forced to go in front of the judge. Well, then in that case, all you can do is what you can do, and you have to do your best. Get prepared, get ready, do your disclosure, submit, get your discovery done, follow the rules, play by the book. But if you can settle even some of the issues outside of court, you're going to be at an advantage because you're taking those decisions out of the judge's hands. I tell clients all the time that going to trial is like going to Vegas. It's like gambling your family's future. So anyways, hopefully the video series got you thinking. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment sections below. I look forward to receiving your questions, and keep your eye out for future videos from Command the Courtroom. I'm going to start to expand my videos to include videos that cover not just child custody, but divorce cases, spousal maintenance cases, and just general information. So I look forward to doing that. Until next week, remember to keep on trucking and command the courtroom.